Hey guys. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Today guys, I'm gonna be trying to show you how to do the hinge glitch. This glitch right here. It's very easy if you got gold right here. Put it like this. A video. You put this. You put the gold blocks like this, like a triangle. Yeah. You take the hinge, and since it's like this, you press T. T is to rotate it like that. Wait, I messed up. You need to make the blocks the right way. Okay, and you stand on the hinge and you put glue, like glue, right here. Glue it yourself like this. Okay. Launch. Okay, then you jump and hold W. Oh yeah, you can. If you want to go up, you press W. If you want to go forward, you just hold. If you want to jump, you hold spacebar. You tap it or hold. And if you can go fast by pressing W. See, it's spinning. Look how fast this is. And after you're done like this, went to the end. So go away. Okay, click the glue. And then, bam, you're here. But you gotta be good at controlling the thing, okay? This is a game called Build a Boat for Treasure. And then you make it here. Just wait. Cause I got 2 times gold. I bought the game pass, which is 500 Robux. I could get 2 times gold. And I also joined the group, so they gave me more gold. See? Wait, what? It's because I didn't do the other ones. I made it. This is it for this video. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also put on the notification if you subscribed. Bye.